It had to be extensive. पयलीं सुवातेर जे प्रायवेट मेंबर्स डे म्हूण आमगेलो जो दीस आसता एज मेंबर्स टू रेज आर क्वेरीज एंड दीस इज आर रायट आमचे टू क्वेश्चन द गव्हर्मेंट रेजोल्युशन मांडपाक हो दीस तेमी कट केला आनी एज पर रूल 31 if this day has been Fridayचो दीस is not included, then the speaker should fix this private members rule day on any other day during the business days. So that has not been fixed. So this is basically a mockery. This government has 33. Having 33 such a large number, they do not want to face 7 in the opposition. So this was the first point with regards to the private members day that is not being observed. दूसरे we have observed that postponement questions are not allowed after being admitted, are not discussed. तीसरे we asked for ample time from the opposition MLAs should be given ample amount of time to question the government relating to the governor's address. Don't these governor's address dola on 24th and 25th and 26th is the chief minister is going to present the budget. Hui na hui zoilar ingai. It is a mockery. Basically, 3 days is mandatory as per the rules to discuss the governor's address. So, yes, suspension of rules under 306 cone. What is happening here is showing that this government wants to hide their corruption, hide the scams. They cannot face the opposition. जी certificate एक ex-minister an दिलेली हा with regards to the bribery charge of 20 lakhs being given to a minister. Today it is surprising to see the chaotic silence of the chief minister. He doesn't want to answer on this particular step. Also, we highlighted to the honorable speaker in my letter of what happened during the J. Ami PUC इतलो वर्सांचो रिपोर्ट फायनलायज केल्लो आनी इट वॉज अडॉप्टेड. After adopted, it was rejected on basis of a vote. But what was rejected is a big question mark. 14 वर्सां जालीं, 10 वर्सां रिपोर्ट जे पेंडींग आहा. आमी जेन्ना हो रिपोर्ट मांडलोलो, the honorable speaker adopted and it was listed, but still governmentaचो प्रयत्न केलो to make sure that this report doesn't come. So the government was questioning the speaker's authority. Speaker is final. So we told the honorable speaker that there has to be equal rights given to the opposition. आज ज्या पद्दतीन आमी हे बजेट मांडपाक जो मुखेलमंत्री मांडपाक सोदता हेजेर म्हाका दिसता चर्चा जावपाक जाय आशिल्ली. गव्हर्नर एड्रेसान जे ताका गव्हर्नराक मिसगायड केलेलो हे सरकारान हें म्हाका दिसता आमी ह्या सेशनाक हायलायट करतले. बट वी नीड टू गेट अ चान्स एंड वी आस्क द ऑनरेबल स्पीकर दॅट ज्या पद्दतीन हे क्वेश्चन बी थोडे गायब जाता. मिस्टर इंडिया पिक्चर चयला तो एका मोगेंबो आहलो. आतां हिंग कोण मोगेंबो तो ताका खबर ना. क्वेश्चन कित्याक गायब जाता एंड द स्पीकर हॅज अश्योर्ड अस दॅट ही वील लूक इनटू.
सर, जस्ट फॉर फॉर्मेलिटी BAC मिटींग करता म्हणून विजय सरदेसाय म्हणटा, तुम्ही कशें रिएक्ट करता?
सी, BAC meeting is a right and the right of us to object. I cannot comment what Vijay Sardesai because he was not present today here. He didn't comment at this year. I don't know when he commented. He was not present yet.
He wrote a letter to the speaker. So as he is not well, he can't come. But BAC meeting is held only for formalities.
I am not sure. But to an extent, the BAC is on what should be the agenda of the and it is a platform where we raise our objection. Last time I had given in writing, my objections were not mentioned on the letter. Today itself, I again give a letter citing all my objections to the Honorable Speaker, point by point, that calling attention should be allowed to given to the opposition, ample amount of time with regards to PUC reports, with regards to private members' resolution. So it is our right. We cannot just stay away. We have to object this government because ingeli dadagiri and hukumshai. The speaker is answerable to all this type of activity.
Sir, first CM Bhavsaheb Bandhu's birth anniversary. Once CM told that they are taking his ideology forward, what you would like to say?
I don't see any person taking the ideology forward. जो आमचो भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर पयलोच मुखेलमंत्री आशिल्लो. He was a visionary. He was a man of the common people. His vision with regards to agriculture, if you see, his vision was with regards to rights, bunkar rights. He was connected to the grassroots level. He is the tallest leader. आज सरकारा गेले लक्ष्य हुया with regards to agriculture. They are finishing agricultural lands. Agricultural land आहे ते सगळे कन्वर्ट करून उडयता. भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरान संजीवनी शुगर फॅक्टरी म्हणून बांधलेली फॉर फार्मर्स. Today this government is not protecting it. Ethanol plant घातले, यश कोतले, तेश कोतले. So whatever was Bhau Bandodkar's vision, he was a statesman. And at a different level, I personally have not seen his debates or whatever because I was not born during that era. But I salute him on today's day, on his birth anniversary. Let us not make any comparisons. But for a fact, with regards to policy formation, what Bhausaheb Bandodkar had and his vision is being deteriorated today, especially with regards to agriculture and agricultural lands. The way they are being converted is absolutely, you can see that Goa is going from bad to worse.